Have you ever felt this way? When a room falls silent and still, suddenly a tightness grips your chest. When no one is watching, you feel the urge to raise your voice, just to be heard. When no praise comes, you try to grow louder, hoping someone will care. But slowly you begin to realize you are not truly speaking. You're merely making noise that carries no meaning. And many out there are the same. They raise their voices not because they have substance, but because the world has taught them, whoever is loudest wins.